Welcome back. Jumping into another project. As you can see, I haven't finished the walls. I first need to finish this old cupboard, actually to refinish this old cupboard. I've spent the last 7 months stripping paint off of it. It's very old. It used to belong to my great great grandparents, so it's maybe 100 years old. Um, it's handmade by my great great grandfather, and after stripping all the paint, which has accumulated over the years. Now I have to use some wood filler to fill the small holes from the nails that were used to fasten the whole thing to hold it together and to repair some of the damage. And I need to fit a new top because right now it doesn't have top, and hopefully paint it in the next couple of weeks. So I will go on and keep working on this project before I finish the other one, just because I like doing stuff like this, not all the way through. So today I'm not only trying to do some finishing touches for this cupboard, but I will be trying my new dust collection with my shop vac and this small circular orbital grinder. It's called orbital grinder. Let me just put on the grinding paper. And this is a very, very rough paper. It's 80 grit. If only, yes. I just wanted to match the holes. And I will try this with my shop vac. It will be noisy, so let's see how much dust it will collect. Let's go. No? So far it looks pretty decent. I love my orbital sander. This is the Makita Bio 5031, which I recently bought a couple of months ago, and I'm really, really happy with it. It's really powerful. So now I'll have to finish some of this because I've already sanded most of it, but I have to finish this with this wood filler over here, and I will see how it will go. There's some holes right over here, and then I will need to sand it one more time, and then maybe paint sometime soon. I have certainly made a couple of holes while I was stripping the paint, and I'm trying to fill them up. All the joints I'm trying to fill up. It's a standalone wood filler. It doesn't need anything to be added to it. For example, I don't need sawdust. I don't need anything else. I just use this. It's pretty hot in here and it dries really, really quickly. So I hope that I will finish rather quick. So I have filled the holes on one side of the cupboard and the front. This side is not done yet, but first I need to address the bottom, which is not fully sanded, and this back panel, which is proved very, very hard to sand. I will use my trusted orbital sander again with the 80 grit, and then if this side has dried up, I will flip the cupboard and then I will fill this side, which I haven't finished yet, and leave everything to dry until Sunday because tomorrow I have to work. and on Sunday we'll see what's going to happen. I have to sand it with a say 180 grit. I have a 180 grit sandpaper, and I have to clean everything up very nice, and then primer, and then do everything else that needs to be done. And I need to address the inside, but this is a topic for another video. Yep, initially, let me just turn this just a little bit like this. So initially, I tried to sand the cupboard while it was on its top, and it was very hard to press. Right now, the result is very bad and is very good. So I will keep sanding, and I will show you the end result in a couple of minutes. This is what happens when you don't have a dedicated workbench. Oh, and you try to work off anything you have. Anyway, doesn't matter. We're good. Okay. I think that I'm not going to be able to finish the corners with this, I'm sure. So I'm done with the random orbital sander, and now I'll have to finish by hand. Obviously, the dust collection is not the best. Yeah, there is a lot of dust, but anyway, it's better than nothing. So I will remove this and this, which connects to my shop vac. It's not a very big investment, so I'm not sorry that I bought this, but it's not the best. Sometime in the future, when I finish this, I will do, and I will create, build a nice dust collection system. But This will be in the distant future. So clean up now. And actually, this is my shop vac or my car vac. I'm not sure. I bought it for my car, but I'm using it in my shop or in my whatever this is. It's a Kercher. It's a German brand. It's the W2, which I'm very happy with a container, which is metal. I have finished for today. I have done a lot of sanding. I've done some, uh, yeah, I filled some of the holes that I've made during the sanding and some of the joints. I especially worked on the joints where different pieces of wood connect. I don't want any gaps there because after I paint, there will be gaps in the paint and I want a nice glossy finish. You can definitely see here I have some wet spots and I've done the doors on the outside. Here I have all the joints. So I'm done for the day. I'll wrap up here, shut the lights off and wait for this to dry. I will wait for it to dry until not tomorrow but the day after on Sunday. And on Sunday I will do 180 grit sanding and then hopefully fit the top and see how everything is gonna go. And I'm gonna show you the whole process. So until next time, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.